So to operate your heating and hot water, which is Whale HeatAir Controls, you've got to put your hand within proximity of the controls and it will take them out of sleep mode. So starting off with the heating of the vehicle first, using the plus and minus, you've got frost start, which is approximately 5 degrees, but then you do have to have either the gas or electric on to enable this to work, which I'll get onto in a moment. You've got nighttime mode, which is the moon, which is approximately 15 degrees, and then you can bring it all the way around to the max temperature of 30 degrees. Gas, press it, goes blue, that means the gas is on standby, and then it will go to orange and ignite once it's pulled the gas through to the heater via the gas supply of the vehicle. Once the vehicle has reached its temperature set, the gas will go back onto standby, which is blue, until it drops and the thermostat picks up that it's dropped temperature, and then it will kick back in and ignite to warm the vehicle back up. You'd use gas if you were wild camping. If you were on a site, you can use electric. So you've got 3 different power supply outputs on the gas. So depending on how much electric you've got on your site and what the amperage they're giving you is, you've got one, so just press and hold, you've got one which is 750 watts. You've got 2 which is 1500 watts. And you've got 3 which is 3000 watts, and you can see that's gone on to orange now, which means it's ignited on electric. But you can put the gas on as well, and this is what's called boost. So if you needed to boost the temperature of the vehicle, you can put both on together and it will maximize both sources, which will reduce the time it takes to heat the vehicle. Should you get a red exclamation mark down the side, you've got a reset button here. But what you can do is you can press the red exclamation mark and it will tell you on these codes here, so many bars will light up and it will give you the fault code. But press and hold the button, which will restart the control panel and eliminate the fault. To operate the hot water system, so again, you've got frost start, which is 5 degrees, keeps the water in the boiler above 5 degrees. But again, you do have to have gas or electric available to the vehicle. Should you not have that in the winter, we strongly advise that you winterize and get rid of all the water on board. You've got eco mode, which is heats the water to approximately 50 degrees. And then you've got full heat, which is 70 degrees down here. Gas, if you're wild camping, or you've got 750 watts of electric, 1500 watts of electric, and 3 kilowatts, or 3000 watts should I say, of electric. Press the gas flame, blue means it's on standby. Once it goes to orange, like the temperature for the heating has on gas, it is working on gas. And again, once that water gets the temperature, whatever source you've got it on, whether it be gas or electric, it'll go back onto standby until the water cools down before it kicks back in. So don't worry if you've put it on, it's gone to orange, and then 20 minutes later it's back on blue. It just means your water or your vehicle is up to temperature. And you can see there that they've both come on and they're both working. Again, both settings together is boost. So you might want to boost your hot water if you're in desperate need of hot water for a shower. And then once you've boosted it, just turn your gas off and allow the electric to continue to heat the water if you're on a site, as you wouldn't want to waste your gas when you've paid your site fees to use their electric. And that are your Whale HeatAir Controls. Reset buttons can be found on the bottom of both dials.